YHC stock analysis and price predictions for Friday is LQR house stock a buy. I am going to be breaking all of it down in this brief short 1-minute video, especially looking at YHC. It had a pretty big correction, you know, and with this in mind, the only thing that I would like to do is just buy if it makes sense. After a crazy pump, bigger correction, nothing unusual to occur. Like, that is going to happen, quite normal. It's not normal to not expect a bigger correction in just distinct pumps and pumps, because you're going to see that then the correction is going to be even higher. What's going up must come down. That's a law here. And this might seem like I'm overly optimistic, but if the price does not give me a double break, there's no way I'm buying. Like YC related, I have about 4 results in the Discord. Now, if you want to get my money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description and I will continue to keep you updated. Goodbye and enjoy. See you.